Guys in charge of Magic Wheel. It was AAPT. DAAPT.
Hey everybody, ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Welcome to the MOJO Show. Do a little update on the markets for you. Beware, things are going nuts nowadays. Crypto stocks, ups, downs, beware, futures. That's what we do. Check out the disclaimer. Day trading, very, very risky, guys. Don't use any money you can't afford to lose in any kind of trading. Stocks, NFTs, futures, anything. It's not allowed. You should know better. So anyway, let's head right back into the Mojo room and we'll say hello to our community and our team and see what we got going on this morning. All right, what's up? We got Paul in the house. We were just talking about some futures. I think there's a trade coming up right here. Make sure I got all my systems working. That's that 53. So we got 51.14 on the SQQ. What do you think about that, Paul? What are you doing with your morning, guys? I was just talking to you. You there? Hello? CBB in the house. We got to do some messaging. I got your message. Hopper in the house. Nice. Mr. Marr. What's going on, guys? Nice to see you all this morning. What's going on? Let's head over to the main screen, see what's going on with the stocks in the market. I think Paul stepped away for a sec. Hey, good morning, CB. So we got SQQQ. Let's see what's hot in the market. All right, we're going to have a good day today. We do that every day. That's what we like to do. Let me just make sure I have the right screens open, and I do. Yes. All right, so what do we have here this morning? Dow, ooh, 32,168. S&P, 4,008. And the comp, 11,662. So we have right here the chart on SQQ on the 2-minute here in the pre-market, making a move down right here to 50.90, low 50.20. I think we may have a little move coming up here off 77 and below. Make a little bounce back. What's the bottom of this bar right here? 50.86 and 50.86. That's right where it's at right now. 50.86. See if it holds that. AUVI. Applied UV. I marked it before at 129. It's been to 138. Applied UV. Traded 3 million already, and then this other one traded 10 million. It is IDERA. I marked it at 57.95. It went to 62. It's now at 53.5. So you could see the chart on those two. They're in play today. There is, what else? Mullen looking strong today on Mullen right here in the pre-market. Right now, like 120. We picked that last week at 77 down here, right there at 77. It's gone up like couple of nice days in a row. Good trading days.
Hey, Mike, did you see AAPT down 97%? Same
No.
guy with AAPT is same guys with Magic Wheel, and I forget the third one there. But apparently he's under investigation.
What's the symbol?
AAPT. Same guys in charge
Doesn't
of Magic
come up.
Wheel.
No, AA.
PT.
PT. It's a All American Pet Company.
Yep.
Oh, that's the one you're talking about?
Down 97%. Yeah. Yeah, the same CFO is the same guy who was in charge of
Yeah,
Magic
but it's a
Wheel. That
penny
was really
stock.
hot.
It's like 0.000. Yeah, nobody knows. These things are unregulated, nasty little companies. Yeah, they're not.
Yeah.
It's not on my radar.
I know Magic Wheel was real hot for a long time. Everyone's talking about Magic Wheel, Magic Wheel. The same CFO in charge of Magic Wheel is in charge of AAPT. He's under investigation. All three just tanked. 97% loss.
Really? Yeah. I don't focus on that area of the market, luckily.
Yeah.
So SQQ making a nice rise back up into 51 right here. Tops is up 2 days in a row. Went from 65 yesterday. It's now at 72 cents. Tops going by my list right there. Top ships. See, probably went up yesterday. Yep, see? Tops is making a move. And we have, let's take a look at the overall Dow. Dow made a nice rebound. Where did it stop at? 31,175, 77 to 82 stopper. Yep, see that? Where the comp stop? At what number? 11,108 stopping station. Very nice. Noted, marked. So SQQ is it's actually going to probably hold in this range of 50 and what's the top of this bar? 50.86. That's where it's at right now. What else you guys looking at in the room right now? CB, Hopper, Walt had a nice day yesterday. Nice little launch right there through 51. Let's go to the 2-minute chart right here. 2 minutes. Nice little trade right there through the Heinz. Little. Zim, just Heinz. ZIM. Mr. Hopper told us in the room. Let's take a look. ZIM. 68 bucks, only 90,000 shares. Keep an eye on that. Yeah, low volume on that. GGB going by at 560. What is that one? Gurdu. 27,000 shares, very low volume. Keep an eye on that one, though. They may have an order going into that one. GGB. Yeah, markets, just the markets here. We did ride the other day from $1.63. Same thing as Mullen. It was right here at $1.63 on these 2 down days. Actually, it was on this day right here because it was red and then it turned from red and made a big green bar to finish the day. And then it went up the next day to 254. So that's what I'm looking at with the market. They had a special with the futures trading accounts. They had a $35 deal to get a $50,000 futures trading account. A lot of guys in the room did that. $100, $200, you get yourself a half a dozen accounts, man. Look at that big signal at 88. He just got hit. Big bids are bearish. See that? Big bid, bearish. There's another one at 85. 20. It's not that big though. Husn. 3,000 shares. Nope. NASDAQ gainer, no volume. AUVI, 3 million shares. Sold that one a little earlier. PPSI, 2 million shares. These bottom bouncers have done real good 4 days in a row off these bottom bouncers down here. Many of them have the same pattern. IDRA, same thing. Bottom, bottom, bottom. Huge day right here. My MICT swing pick too. A lot of these things hit bottom down here, these little small cappers. So that's about it with the markets, man. That's about it right there with the markets. Yeah, I had a guy send me crypto. I never got it. That's not good when that happens. Huh. Lots of things are done on the phones nowadays, folks. Ooh, Ethereum 2100, guys. Cool. Cool. Yeah, I got this whale on Twitter liking my tweets and messaging me. Not messaging me, but liking my tweets and retweeting. I'm tweeting about him, and he liked it and retweeted it. And it's like, saying something about Snoop, and he does that, or some other, it was pretty cool, dude. Pretty cool. Maximize the rest of my day. Ooh, that was nice. Yeah, yesterday was good. I just chilled in the afternoon too. Just got to make one good trade. You know what I'm saying, Paul?
That's the way it was. Just yesterday, man, popped on. I made actually I made 2 trades yesterday. I think it was I hit my 280. I'm just, with the eval, just shooting for the 200, 300 a day, just
That's
1 or 2
it.
trades. Made those 2 trades, man. I went poolside, spent all day in the pool watching those palm trees swaying.
It's a good
And
thing.
nighttime, fired up the pizza oven, and so we threw some wood in there, cooked up some pizzas last night with the family. Nothing like it.
It's an awesome thing. Yeah, man. I'm digging it with you.
a lot of these traders, man, they're like, oh, trading gives you freedom, but literally they sit in their chair staring at their screens from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. And it's like, dude, that ain't freedom. You trade one kind of slavery for another. With this one, man, you go ahead, 1 or 2 trades in the morning, and the rest of the day is yours.
Yeah, it's pretty damn cool. Which way you looking right now? You're still in sim mode? It's going through Heinz 51.
Yeah, I'm watching it here right now. Nothing's quite lining up yet for me, but I'm keeping an eye on it.
Gotcha. Let me know when you're ready to make a move or what you're looking at for sure.
I'm watching NQ right now.
There's the 51.
On the 5 minute, it looks like it's getting ready to go up, but I'm keeping an eye on the 1 and the 2 minutes and the SQQQ.
Gotcha.
Try to be extra careful pre-market. For me, it's a lot like the after hours. Price action can get real squirrely.
Yes, sir. Just watching it real close, you know what I'm saying?
Yo. If you notice on NQ at 9:31, there is this really weird squirrely candle. If you take a look at it, look at the topping tail and the bottom tail of that thing and where it finally settled.
Nice.
That all happened in like 1 second.
Cool. Did one trade, it worked. I wanted to make sure that the copy trader works, you know, when I have like a bug in it or something like that. There's like one of the accounts is like messed up and it's messing it up. Yeah.
Well, stocks aren't gonna be that good because I think today's the day that it's scheduled to have all the big speakers, isn't it? The Fed.
I don't know. Find out.
Yeah, let me double check. I'm pretty sure that's today. All these heavy hitters from the Fed are gonna be talking today, I think.
Yeah, let's take a look at the main screen again, see what's moving with the markets, and give some of these people an update. Take a look at some stocks and stuff because nothing's really moving right now. As Mar said, it's kind of Mar said it good. It's kind of not much out there, an SQQQ kind of day.
That's the schedule for today. So that's what I think.
Look at this one, GLBE, 1526 by 30. Well, it's down $4. Forget it.
Yeah.
Ethereum's up nicely. ETHE. So is Coinbase. What's ETH at? ETH is 2,100. Bitcoin's 30,000 and change. Doge is up 0.09. What's gas at? Gas is 24. Nice. Everything's in control.
Oil's really ticked up today. Last I looked, it was 115.
PPSI for a possible move to 4. Yeah, it's 391. I see that's a good eye. Thank you, Mr. Mar. Mar sees that one in the room, guys. See that? All the help we can get. All the eyes out there. And if you like it, 407. Nice call on PPSI by Mr. Mar. Look. Bang. Look at that, dude. He called that one. I think Mouse may be in that with you with that kind of volume bar. That's pretty sick, dude. See that call in my room, dude, from my trader? He knows what that $4 means right there. He picked it under 4 before it made that huge bar. Boom. Party time in the room, baby. Look at that winner, dude. Sick. See, I told you called that one. Look. See? Watching PPSI for a possible move to $4 Heinz. And if you want to know what the Heinz is, dudes, this is the Heinz. Once a stock crosses that even number and approaches it, ooh, it's quite nice, as you can see. But listen, day trading is very, very risky. Extremely, you should be prepared to lose all the funds that you use for day trading. Hypothetical gains don't represent real gains. All the information discussed is for educational purposes. No recommendation to buy nothing. Remember, beware, dude. Do not enter the stocks and the futures. Beware. Everyone's like, oh, my IRA account is down 20%. What should I do? I don't know what to do. Yeah, it's good to pass up the pre-market. He doesn't make many pre-market trades, he says. He makes about 2 to 3 pre-market trades per month. Too good to pass up that one. No, that was a good one.
Yeah, I only if everything lines up perfectly, that's the only time I go in. But price action is usually too squirrely.
Yeah, I did one test trade just to make sure everything worked pretty good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You want to see what it looked like? Worked pretty
Throw
good.
it up there. Nice.
There you go. 60, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. The sim is the 60. Yeah. The others are 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45. Matched perfectly.
Well, I was watching one pre-market and everything was lining up beautifully, and then just one person came in with dropped a huge order and just threw the whole thing out of whack.
Yep, so that's actually, yes, sir. What else are we looking at here in the pre in the market? Nothing really, dudes. Market's opening in 6 minutes. What's we got? Mr. OG ProTrader AM in the house. That's Alice Dar. We got OG ProTrader Brad in the house. My man, OG ProTrader DM, Mr. Mackland. Mr. Charlie Brown in the house. Mr. C-Bang. Mr. OG Lifer in the house with me for life. We got OG Mar. We got OG Walt. My team. We're a solid team. Trades in this community every day. Or to be an OG, you need to be a sub for 5 years and longer. That's the power of that room, baby. That's the power of what we got. PPSI 419. I saw that little touchy on that 19. 11 to 19. Saw that. Absolutely. So we got 4 minutes to the open, guys. Nothing's really chillanging. Should be, but it really ain't.
I know in general the markets are freaking out because Powell came out and said we may actually look at a Volcker type move.
At a what type move?
Paul Volcker. Remember Paul Volcker?
Oh, Volcker. I thought you said Vulcan, like Spock.
No. Paul Volcker. He came out and he actually for the first time said we may look at a move like what Paul Volcker did. And that just freaked everybody out. That kind of rug pull.
Yeah.
That's the beautiful thing about the futures, man. I don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, we don't have to worry about that. You know, people are, well, my portfolio's down 20% or this, that. Well, I don't got to worry about that. I'm just got to make one sharp
Yep.
Waiting to put my quarter in to the game. I'm waiting for the guy in front of me to finish so I can play. I'll play one little turn. We're ready to rock and roll. Ready to rock and roll. 3 minutes to the open. That's pretty much it, guys.
SQQQ has strong support sitting at 50.82.
Yeah, it does. 50. Let's stop a Roper station. You know, I
Yep.
appreciate people watching me on social media, digging you. Come check out the Mojo Day Trading Room. Links are below in the description. And we're going to go concentrate on the market being open. So I can't say, hey, I lost money because I was doing the Mojo show. I said I wasn't going to do that no more. So, hey, guys, listen, peace. Keep it profitable. Check out the links in the description. I'll see you on the next Mojo show or the next Mojo NFT show. Later.